Guys, just Tim from TJ Fieldo again. One of the most common questions we get asked when quoting and speaking to customers about lift kits is, do I need upper control arms? Now, as a general rule of thumb, if they are required to lift your vehicle for a 2-inch lift, which is most of the sizes that we do, then they'll be included in the kit. Most vehicles don't require it. One that does is the MP300, the latest series MP300. The 2-inch lift for those comes with upper control arms because you need them for clearance and for camber correction. But as a rule of thumb, you don't have to have them for most 2-inch lifts. Anything over 2-inch, you generally do. Now, the reason why you do need them is because basically every inch you lift the vehicle, roughly about 1 degree of camber or caster. That's what you lose. So you lift the vehicle 2 inches, it changes at approximately 2 degrees. Now, when I say most, I'm going to talk about Super Pro control arms because that's what we sell. Super Pro control arms, this is a fixed offset Super Pro control arm. This has an extra 2 degrees built into it. So it's preset with an extra 2 degrees, so it's to suit a 2-inch lift, even a little bit above, because most vehicles have at least 2 degrees of adjustment in the wheel alignment. So we can adjust it 2 degrees and this gives you another 2. And this is a fixed offset control arm. The other one is an adjustable. So this ball joint slips and we can adjust it. This is a Super Pro one as well. These are made in Australia, these arms, good quality steel, all Super Pro bushings, lifetime warranty. They're the only ones we do. Generally, the only other ones we'll do is cow off-road ones or cow off-road kits, but most of our arms are Super Pro, and we stock adjustables and fixed for most popular models that we lift. So no, it's not required. Do we recommend it? Yes, generally we'll say, look, if you're lifting it and you've got the money, put arms in it. If you don't, put them in later. Basically, as you can see here, without control, and this is exaggerated to make it easier to see, but without, as the vehicle lifts, the wheel will start to roll in and it will run on the edge. What happens with the control arm with the extra bit of offset in it, it allows us to be adjustable and to push the top of that wheel back out a bit more, and it corrects it and keeps the wheel nice and straight so it's running on its all its flat surface there. So do you need them? Most of the time, no. Do we recommend them if you can? Yes. Thanks, guys.